Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change email format in Outlook. So do you want to switch your email format in Outlook from plain text to something more stylish, so maybe back to basic? All right, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your browser and head to outlook.live.com and log in to your Microsoft account. Once you're done doing that, in the top right corner, go ahead and click on the get icon, which you're going to find here to open the quick panel, the quick settings panel. Now, check the bottom of the panel, you're going to find email. You just go ahead and click on each to open the full settings menu, which you're going to find here as well. So from here, you see a couple of options. Go ahead and select compose and reply. This section controls your default formatting options for new emails. So scroll down, okay, that's really the first thing. Just head over to the message format, which is the message format section, which is the first section. You'll see compose messages in this format. You see in HTML, which you have here, just go ahead and click on that. And you have plain text. That's no formatting at all. Now, for some versions, you find rich text. Now, this is limited formatting, not recommended for all platforms. So the recommendation is this: keep it on HTML for modern emails with images, links, and styling. So click the drop down and choose your desired format. Once you've changed that, scroll to the bottom and click on save. Don't forget to always save to apply your changes. So from now on, all new messages will use the selected format by default. So change formats while composing a single email. If you want to change the format for just one email, you can just click new email to compose a message and then just click the three dots in the formatting toolbar and select switch to plain text or switch to HTML depending on your current format. So confirm the prompt and you will lose formatting when switching to plain text. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.